To reflect an object across the X or Y axis and make at least one more movement. Here are some flashcards to start with. All you have to do is state the coordinates of the point that show up on the screen.
-7, -2. 2, 2. -8, 4. 4. -4, -6. 8, -4. 10, 3. 3, 6. 0, 6. 0, -5. -7, 0. 9, 0. 10, -6. -6, -5. 4, 3.
Alright, here's an example. Reflect across the y-axis and down 3. So to start with, to go across the y-axis, notice that the points here are -4, 2. So it's going to be up 2 on the other side as well, except instead of a -4, it's going to be what? +4. So there's another way you can find these. Just change the sign of the opposite coordinate. For example, you're reflecting across the y-axis. When you go across the y-axis, you're changing the x value. So instead of -4, 2, it's 4, 2. So that's another way you can do it without counting. Once you get one dot on a simple figure like this, you can notice that there are 3 blocks that make up that side. So 1, 2, 3. And then make your other dot. Now you know they have to be straight up from that and level to it. So you can go ahead and mark this one down without having to count or look at any coordinates. And of course this one fits right in as well. Now you have to do the movement. So you have to go down 3. On the bottom one, count 1, 2, 3, and then make the dot. Now you know this one has to be straight across from it and lined up from where it was before. You can go to the top and do 1, 2, 3, make a dot, and you know the other one must be straight across with it and lined up with the other one. So now the only thing left to do are to write the coordinates. So for this one it would be 4, -1. This one is 7, -1. This one is 7, 3. And this one is 4, 3. Here's what it looks like when you do it quick. So you reflect it across the y-axis and then go down 3 and then state the points. Try this one. Your first movement is to reflect across the x-axis. When you do that, it should look like this. And then you have to go to the left. You got to go to the left, not to the right. You got to go to the left 5 spaces. There's your final image, and these are the coordinates. For the solution, go across the y-axis first. You should have that figure. And then go up 3. Looks like that. And there are the coordinates.